Hand sanitizer is an essential thing in the circumstances of COVID-19. Recently, I have bought the one, and it is a liquid one and can be used as a surface spray. It can be used or spray on the surface also, as it is a liquid one. Let's see how to use it. First, I am going to unbox the packet with a pair of my scissors. I am going to cut it. It's fleshy plastic. Keep it from outer edges, and inside the cardboard box. And the cardboard box is to be cut with the pair of scissors again. And you can see the bill. 250 the price is. And I am going to cut the cardboard box. And two side is to be cut first. And I am going to cut this. It's cut already. It's cut, and now it's the middle portion that is to be cut. And here is the sanitizer, the liquid one, which can be used as a surface spray also. And here is a 70% alcohol, and we all know 60% is must in cases of COVID-19. And the spray is provided here also. The spray is provided here. You can keep it in front of your bottle, on your bottle, and use it. And here are various modes. You can see you can turn it and change the mode of spraying according to your surfaces. Here the filter is, and it's the tied one, and you can tie it in these places. Just wipe out the cork and yes, set it like this. And the spray is very smart. It is, and you can use it. You can use it like this, and see is all the phases is here. You can use it from all the spares and all the parts. And here it is. The bottle is, the instruction of bottles, all is here. So bye bye.